hell, I'm living hell, I'm hell, boy, I live in hell.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be cleaning out these T outliners and also showing you guys how to zero gap them. If you guys have any questions on doing so, then please leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so using a small screwdriver, you guys are going to take off the two front screws. Move the cover exposing the battery. Make sure not to pull any wires, which could result in damage to your clipper. Go ahead and grab a soft brush and start cleaning inside the machine. So at this point guys, I grab a small brush that comes with your clippers when you first buy them. You're going to use this to get in between the tight spaces and get all those hairs out. Once you guys are done cleaning the machine, put the cover back on, replace the two screws and tighten them thoroughly. You're going to want to take off the two screws that are located on the blade. Now remove the two smaller screws. Go ahead and brush off all the components. Grab your Cool Care or any type of disinfecting spray and spray it on the blades. What this is going to do is disinfect the blades and also prevent any rust from forming. Now let the blades sit and dry. Now ready to put the clipper back together. Put it on the same way as you took it off. Make sure that brown piece is touching the edge of the blade. Then tighten the screws. Now place the blade right on top of the other and it should fit nicely. Now we're going to zero gap them. Loosen the screws until you can move the blade. Make sure not to loosen them too much. Now place the blade on a flat surface with the smaller blade facing towards you. Put it at an angle and tighten it up. The blades should be flush with each other. Now replace the blade, put the screws back on and tighten it up. What I like to do after cleaning my clippers, I like to spray some Cool Care on them with the machine on. With the machine on, place the blades on your palm and they should not nick you. And that's it, guys. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below.
I let the money dance, the diamond blings all by itself without any help. So that means it shine on its own without any gold. I've been the king without any throne.